Hi, I'm Sarina Godin, Chief Product Innovation Officer, and I'm so excited to share with you how I get my most baby soft, fresh, dewy skin every single day with our Microbiome Enzyme Essence. A healthy microbiome is the key to even-toned, glowy skin, so we created this next-generation essence to be rich in active prebiotics that nourish your skin's good bacteria. It's like gut health, but on your skin. A healthy skin microbiome strengthens skin barrier function, reduces the potential of irritants and inflammation, and is one of the key things to having your most gorgeous, glowy skin. This clinically proven essence further floods the skin with the highest quality hydrating botanicals while also providing resurfacing benefits with nature's most gentle yet effective AHAs and enzymes. Our Microbiome Enzyme Essence also preps and optimizes the skin for improved absorption of the serums, treatments, and moisturizers that follow. With a refreshingly light ginger scent and silky, luxurious feel, you'll look forward to this spa-like experience. This is the daily maintenance that plump, soft, dewy skin craves.